What is your name?
My name is Lu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunsan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Beijing.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongyue.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Dongguo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have two brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen Miao, one is Dan Jian.
What is your name?
My name is Li Lin.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Hanelay Sisa, Budaka Yinzula Mongwana Surgunu Keslea.
Why is English important?
Yinzu Amagatki Gutuna.
English is the most widely used of all international languages, and also it is the language of science and technology.
Yinzunia Haragajastano, Zuyangla Jin Guanga. Nen Kushuda Zifurhan, Cehwada Yanglana.
China has stressed learning English as a tool in developing the national economy, especially in minority areas, and in furthering economic developments in line with the national policy of opening to the outside world.
Zhongui Lus Bayajiga, Nyanhuta Yojinga Tina. Tinksa Bdaka Yinzuna Amaksada Surya.
Furthermore, when students have a better grasp of English, their scores will be higher on the university entrance examinations.
Malaminzu Nublega Yinzuna Stehan Sursa, Dashu Kolasa Chuverba, Ninksa Yiskini, Ahanga Mongwa Kushin, Kundula, Haragajasta, Jinamon Wardana, Senegala Staguna.
This will allow more Monghulla students to attend universities and colleges.
Tingsa Hanga Mongwa Shusan, Dashu Kolastaguna.
Why teach English in Monghulla?
Amaga Monghulla Yinyii Swaguna.
Many Monghulla students do not understand Chinese well enough to learn English efficiently.
Kangi Mongwa Shusan, Nyinjuna Surasa, Chitarogasa, Maliwa, Dransena.
By teaching English in Monghulla, students will grasp English much faster and have a better knowledge of it.
Monghulla Yinyii Surasa, Monghull Kundo, Yanchukta Luna.
This program.
Near Pichu.
Material in this program was prepared by us. Students who learn the substance of this program should be able to have a conversation and read English at the lower intermediate level.
Near Pichuna, Limusishiden and Kevin Stuart, Monghulla Yinyii. Shusan Niana Serana Surasa, Surupra Gula 인수라 젠단 통샴 라스타구나 트란추버트기 인수 피치망게 제스탐
We hope all the students who study this program will not give up after a few lessons, but continue to the end.
하나이라 년은 수르브라가디 젠타드는 비흐갈라
Learning a new language is difficult, but hard work brings a real knowledge of the language being learned and real rewards in the end.
우관거 수르사 추월과
Good luck in your English study.
세가나 수르다 인수는 수르스탐
Now, let's talk about how to ask other people what their names are and how to tell other people our name.
또 부탁그 하나일는 또 아마시가는 쿠트난 지신게 사가야 드랑 부탁 고라 콘도 부탁는 쿠탄지가 클리어
In your book, please look at number 1.
친느 피지르 즈즈다니는 르자
What is your name?
친느 느라 야니
My name is Limusishidedn.
머는 느라 리무시시덴이
What is his name?
깨는 느라는 야나
His name is Bill.
깨는 느라는 비오와
What is her name?
태는 느라는 야나
Her name is Mary.
태는 느라는 메리와
What is my name?
머는 느라 야나
Your name is Kevin.
친느 느라 케빈마
Now, let's look at number 2.
또 즈에그니는 르자
Here are some questions about other people's homes and our home.
또 구레 군노 쿠트나 안자 드랑 부탁는 쿠트 안자시 클레구나
Where is your home?
친느 쿠트 안지
My home is Huzhu.
머느 쿠트 호주이
Where is her home?
태느 쿠트는 안자
Her home is Xining.
태느 쿠트는 와자르와
Where is his home?
깨느 쿠트는 안자
His home is Ladu.
깨느 쿠트는 로드와
Where is my home?
머느 쿠트 안지와
Your home is America.
친느 쿠트 미국와
Now, let's look at number 3.
하나이라 즈상거니는 르자
Sometimes we meet people, we want to know how old they are.
부탁그 간기 쿠망그 펑사 부탁그 미테고글나 까그 크탕은 나슬자
These questions are about age.
nya sambanu nese wa
How old are you?
che kte neswa
I am 25.
po horen thavna
How old is he?
kan kte neslaja
He is 15.
kan haran thavna
How old is she?
tia kte neslaja
She is 13.
tia hujinna
How old am I?
po kte neslaja
You are 40.
che tjinna
Now let's look at number 4.
to ptak zskuni nerjea
Number 4 is about jobs.
nya zskuna hangi jisu kunzuwa
When we meet people, we like to know what their job is, what work they do.
ptak kura khumang phungsa ptak sa kukula guna chine kunzu yani
What is your job?
chine kunzu yani
I am a doctor.
pa samambangi
What is his job?
kan kunzu na yana
He is a farmer.
kan lahka chingawa
What is her job?
ten kunzu na yana
She is a nurse.
tia hofsingwa
What is my job?
mana kunzu yana
You are a teacher.
che lo singwa
Now, let's learn some questions about job, and we must answer yes or no.
to ptak sarya kunzu chine kunzu yani shi ptak ama sada namba pcha nikla khudalia
Are you a teacher?
che lo singiyu
Yes, I am. I am a teacher.
nambi pa lo singi
Is he a teacher?
kan lo singwanu
Yes, he is. He is a teacher.
namba kan lo singwa
Is he a teacher?
kan lo singwanu
No, he isn't. He isn't a teacher.
pcha kan lo sing pcha
Is she a teacher?
tia lo singwanu
Yes, she is. She is a teacher.
namba tia lo singwa
Is he a teacher?
kan lo singwanu
Yes, he is. He is a teacher.
namba kan lo singwa
Now, let's look at number 5.
都不得个自负个人呢日节呀。
Here are some useful questions about nationality.
你喊你了呢十八天呢啊喊个十二个呢伊呢？
What is your nationality?
去养十八天呢？
I am Monghulla.
不蒙古语。
Is he Monghulla?
跟蒙古个话呢？
Yes, he is. He is Monghulla.
能吧？跟能吧？跟蒙古话。
Is she Monghulla?
听蒙古话呢？
Yes, she is. She is Monghulla.
能吧？听能吧？听蒙古话。
Is he Monghulla?
跟蒙古话呢？
No, he isn't. He is Tibetan.
不加，跟不加，跟提维话。
Is she Monghulla?
听蒙古话呢？
No, she isn't. She is Hui.
不加，听不加，听回回话。
Am I Monghulla?
不蒙古话呢？
Yes, you are. You are Monghulla.
能吧？去能吧？去蒙古话。
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你的具体苦呀，喊你了西达斯格的呀。
What is your name?
My name is Li Zhenglu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Beijing.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
喊你了西尼萨，不得个引入了蒙古人所有的开始了吧？
Today, let's begin with number 6.
你的不得个自力个啥开始了呀？
Let's learn English numbers.
都不得个引入呢开讲呢所有呀？
Please listen and repeat these numbers.
去抢了第大家就没事。
1,
你干
2,
我
3,
我让
4,
敌人
5,
他问
6,
接着我
7,
都龙
8,
你们
9,
10
10,
haram
11,
haranika
12,
harangor
13,
haranguram
14,
harandiram
15,
harantavan
16,
haranjirwom
17,
harandulum
18,
haranimam
19,
haranshtin
20,
hurin
21,
hurinnika
22,
huringor
30,
hujin
40,
tjin
50,
tayin
60,
jiram
70,
talan
80,
nayam
90,
yiram
100,
nikajong
Many students confuse 13 and 30.
ahan kun haranguranda hujin kangi shimtengwa
You please don't make this mistake.
chinya gurnu sulaga pidi
Now please repeat after me.
to tak da tagawa mishio
13,
haranguran
30,
hujin
13,
haranguran
30.
hujin
Now let's learn number 7.
to patak zchkursa keslia
It's very useful to ask, what time is it?
nya khto yangchuina to zdian jaksa
You please repeat after me.
tak da tagawa mishilde
What time is it?
alles ruwa
It's 9:30.
jutem bana
What time is it?
alles ruwa
It's 10:55.
shtian vshva
What time is it?
alles ruwa
It's 1.
zdena
What time is it?
alles ruwa
It's 12:15.
shtian shva
What time is it?
alles ruwa
It's 1:01.
日点临日哇
When we meet someone, it's important we make a greeting.
不得个困难个碰个啥很大的当那个啥古了呢去谁你啥
If I meet you for the first time, I should give you a greeting.
不起么突然碰个些哈不起么当那个啥古了呢
Now let's learn some greetings.
都不得个还那了呢突然阿妈是啥古呢说呀
Good afternoon.
谁你啥
Good afternoon.
谁你啥
How are you today?
去牛顿谁那啥
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
不或者谁呢去么干了个哇起来
I'm fine, thanks.
不谁呢干了个哇
Goodbye. Nice to see you.
谁打死个呀去么死个哇白死哇
Nice to see you too. Goodbye.
去么死个哇也白死哇谁打死个呀
Now, please look at number 9.
都喊你了自己个你呢日家
We have some short texts.
对呢不得个花儿给躺下来呀
Please repeat these texts after me.
他个打打就你能没晓得
Nima is a teacher.
你妈老生个哇
He is not a student.
干受伤个不下
He is 24.
干活人敌人呐
He is not French.
干法国呢不下
He is not American.
干美国呢不下
Nima is Monghulla.
你妈蒙古了哇
His nationality is
干呢萨巴特呢蒙古了哇
his home is Danma.
干呢库特呢带买的哇
Miss Ruby Brown is not a teacher.
รูปีบรองอากูโลสังกปชา
Ruby is a student.
รูปีชูสังกวา
She is not Monghulla.
แทมังวอลปชา
She is not Chinese.
แทชิตาร์ปชา
She is French.
แทฟากวินา
She is 18.
แทคารันนิมานา
Her home is Paris.
แทนคุตนะปาลวา
Her nationality is Paris.
แทนสบัตนะฟากวิวา
Li Ping is 21.
ลพินขวรนิกวา
He is not Spanish.
แทสเปยานปชา
He is not American.
干美国呢不下，
Li Ping is Chinese.
日偏七点哇，
His home is Beijing.
干呢苦的呢北京的哇，
Li Ping is not a milkman.
日偏孙沙金坤个不下，
He is not a nurse.
干护士个不下，
Li Ping is a student.
日偏修上个哇，
He is a new student.
干新的修上个，
His nationality is Chinese.
干呢三巴头呢七点哇，
Jane is not a teacher.
见老师个不下，
She is not a student.
天修上个不下，
Jane is a housewife.
见苦的那拉个玩进年年坤个，
She is not Chinese.
天七点不下，
She is not Monghulla.
天蒙古不下，
Jane is English.
见英国呢，
Her home is England.
天呢坤的呢伦敦呢，
She is 45 years old.
天进台湾那是了家，
Her nationality is English.
天呢三巴头呢英国哇，
Is that man fat?
天个地点坤台湾那呢，
Yes, he is. He is fat. He is a fat man. That man is fat.
天台湾呐，天台湾地点坤个哇，天个地点坤台湾呐，
Is that man fat?
天个地点坤台湾那呢，
No, he isn't. He is not fat. That man is not fat. That man is thin.
瓜天瓜，天台湾瓜，天个地点坤台湾瓜，天个地点坤格兰布啊。
Is this your shirt?
你很大子起来呢？
No, sir. It's not my shirt.
不下阿哥，天很大子没那不下。
Is this your hat?
你买了个起来呢？
Yes, sir. It is my hat.
能把阿哥，天买了个没能拿。
Now, let's learn text I.
都不得个爱那个可能是的。
This text is about a boy named Tim.
两个口文题目是给口不灵的就是呢。
This is Tim's shirt.
伢题目呢很大字呢，
It's Tim's shirt.
这题目呢很大字呢，
It is a white shirt.
这长很大字个哇，
Tim's shirt is white.
题目呢很大字呢长个哇，
Tim's shirt is not blue.
题目呢很大字呢一两个不加，
Tim is fat.
题目台湾呐，
Tim is not thin.
题目格拉家瓜，
Tim is 25.
题目或人台湾哇，
He is young.
跟拉郎呐，
He is not old.
跟stu了家瓜，
Tim is not 30.
题目得死家瓜，
Tim is a policeman.
题目经常个哇，
He is not a policewoman.
跟人经常个不加，
His home is America.
跟那苦的呢美国哇，
His home is not Tibet.
跟那苦的呢会上不下，
He is busy.
跟毛呐，
He is not lazy.
跟南瓜，
He is American.
跟美国呢，
His nationality is American.
跟那塞巴特呢美国哇，
He is not Monghulla.
跟蒙古不下，
His nationality is not Monghulla.
跟那塞巴特呢蒙古不下，
He is not Chinese.
跟其他不下，
His nationality is not Chinese.
跟那塞巴特呢其他不下。
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都是记得可呀，还能啦，谁打死个的呀？
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongyue.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Dongguo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen, one is Dan.
What is your name?
My name is Li Lian.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
还能啦，谁尼萨，印度啦蒙古人说呢开始了哇。
Today, let's begin with number 10.
你都不大个，只是个人呢说呀。
Write in the missing words as I read them.
贵了三不久呢，不么是个他个就是的。
This is my pen.
捏松花没能拿，
This is not your pen.
捏松花请能不下，
This is his shirt.
捏很大子该能哇，
It is not my shirt.
捏很大子没能不下，
It's Nima's shirt.
贴你妈能很大子呢哇，
This is my red dress.
捏没能弗兰迪哇，
It is not my shirt.
贴没能很大子不下，
It is not my blue dress.
贴没能弄迪不下，
It is a red dress.
贴弗兰迪个哇，
My brother is a mechanic.
没能阿个丢也没是金个，
He is 30.
干胡金呐，
His home is Tangra.
干那裤子呢烫啥哇，
He is fat.
干台湾呐，
He's not thin.
干格兰布瓜，
He is Monghulla.
干蒙古哇，
He is not French.
干法国不加，
He is not a teacher.
干老生个不加，
Brit is an air hostess.
不是提非洲人virgin那困个，
She is 21.
贴活人那个哇，
Her home is England.
贴那裤子呢伦敦呐，
She is English.
贴英国呐，
She's an air hostess.
干非洲人工作了金个哇，
She is not a nurse.
贴学生个不加，
Miss Ruby Brown is thin.
卢比不让阿姑喝拉家，
She is not fat.
贴台湾瓜，
This coat is my coat.
那爹没能那爹了哇，
It is not my son's.
贴没能可能不加，
My daughter is 14.
没能选还让敌人哇，
She is a student.
贴受伤个哇，
My son is 20.
没能去活人呐，
He is a barber.
干啥哇吃啥金个哇，
He is not a mechanic.
干爷嘛啥金个不加，
Now, please look at number 11.
都喊那伊拉 自是日坤的家。
Write in the missing words as I read them.
不么是故喊你了抢了完个归了三不就能就是的。
Whose is this handbag?
你看着那卡不啊？
It is Stella's handbag.
天斯特拉呢卡不呢？
It is a red handbag.
天弗兰看不个哇？
This is Stella's handbag.
你卡不斯特拉呢？
It is not his handbag.
天呢卡不呢不家？
It is not my sister's handbag.
天么呢阿姐呢卡不呢不家？
It is not mother's handbag.
天卡不阿们呢不家？
Now, please look at number 12.
都喊你了自谁呢日间的？
Is this your umbrella?
你亲呢如啥呢？
No, it isn't.
不家天不家？
It is not my umbrella.
天么呢如啥不家？
It is Miss Ruby Brown's umbrella.
天ruby比不让阿姑呢如啥呢？
Please look at number 13.
自13个你呢日间的？
How many brothers do you have?
起码可得阿个的有一，
I have 2 brothers.
大我阿个的有一，
How old are your brothers?
起那阿个的个可谈个那是了家，
One is 21.
你干呢或者那个吧？
One is 18.
你干呢还让你们呢？
What are your brothers' names?
起那阿个的个呢那人那样呢？
One is Nima.
你干呢你妈哇？
One is Lumudanzen.
你干呢那么单子呢？
What are your brothers' jobs?
起那阿个的个呢工作那样呢？
One is a teacher.
你干呢老师个哇？
One is a student.
你干呢学生个哇？
Where are your brothers' homes?
起那阿个的个呢苦的那安吉哇？
My brothers' homes are Funanira.
那个阿个的你呢苦的呢芬兰人哇？
Now, let's look at number 14.
都喊你了这14个人呢日间的呀？
How many sisters do you have?
起码阿姐选的是可的，
I have 1 sister.
大阿姐是你个伊，
What is her name?
天能人呢一样呢？
Her name is Lamula.
天能人呢拉不拉哇？
How old is your sister?
起那阿姐可谈个那是了家，
She is 15.
天还让他们呢。
Where is her home?
天的苦的呢安家，
Her home is Jilogwa.
天的苦的呢只老wal的哇，
What is her job?
天的工作呢呀呢，
She is a student.
天受伤个哇，
My sister is a student.
么那阿姐受伤个哇。
Now, please look at number 15.
都喊了伊拉这15个人呢日家的呀，
Please listen and repeat.
去抢了地得还没修，
Nima is a student.
你妈受伤个哇，
His home is Danma.
干的苦的呢带买的哇，
He is 20.
干活人呐，
He has 2 sisters and 3 brothers.
干的阿姐选的就活儿哇，活让阿个丢哇，
One sister is 18.
你个阿姐呢还让你们呢，
She is a student.
天受伤个哇，
One sister is 25.
你个阿姐呢活人他们呐，
She is a nurse.
天活生个哇，
The sister's home is Danma.
天阿姐你呢苦的呢带买的哇，
The sisters are Monghulla.
天阿姐可能忙活了哇，
One brother is 14.
你个阿个丢呢还让敌人呐，
He is a student.
干受伤个哇，
One brother is 30.
你个阿个丢呢活进呐，
He is a teacher.
干老生个哇，
One brother is 25.
你个阿个丢呢活人他们呐，
He is a mechanic.
干他们嘛实际呐，
The brother's home is Danma.
天阿个丢你呢苦的呢带买的哇，
The brothers are Monghulla.
天阿个丢呢忙活了，
Nima is not fat.
你妈太黄瓜，
He is thin.
天个拉家，
He is not short.
干那背呢活瓜，
He is tall.
干那背呢是个哇，
Nima's home is Danma.
你妈那苦的呢带买的哇，
Nima has a new coat.
你妈的新的叠了个伊呢，
His coat is green.
干那叠呢那红个，
It's very smart.
天活的骨头啊，
Nima's new green coat is very smart.
你妈那新的那红叠呢活的骨头啊，
His coat is not old.
干那叠呢厚起来就瓜，
His coat is new.
干那爹呢新的哇，
It is a lovely coat.
他谁喊妈妈爹了个哇？
Nima is Mongghulla.
你妈蒙古了个哇？
He is not French.
干法规呢不加，
His nationality is Monghulla.
干那这边他呢蒙古了哇？
Please look at number 16.
都喊你了，这16个人呢日间的呀。
Please listen and repeat.
喊你了长罗的大家就没晓得，
This is Bill.
你必要啊。
He is Canadian.
干加拿大呢，
He is 20.
干活人那是了家，
He is a student.
干修上个哇，
He is not a teacher.
干老师个不下，
He is fat.
干台湾呢，
He is not thin.
干格拉家瓜，
He is young.
干拉郎呢，
He is not old.
干多了家瓜，
His home is Canada.
干那库特呢加拿大哇，
This is his car.
你干那吃呢，
It's green.
天那黄个，
It is a green car.
天那黄吃个，
It is a new car.
天新的吃个哇，
It is not an old car.
天后几拉山吃个不下，
This is Bill's hat. Car.
天后几拉山吃个不下，
This is Bill's hat.
你必要呢马了呢，
It is an old hat.
天后几拉山马了个哇。
It is not a new hat.
他新的马上个不加，
Bill's hat is white.
比如呢马上的长个，
Bill's hat is not black.
比如呢马上的黑上个不加，
His hat is white.
他长个，
It is a white hat.
他长马上个，
It's white.
他长呢，
Bill has 2 brothers.
比如的我二个弟呢，
Bill has no sisters.
比如的阿姐选择这瓜，
One brother is 14.
那个二个弟呢，还让弟人呢，
He is a student.
干修上个哇，
One brother is 31.
那个二个弟呢，或者那个哇，
He is a mechanic.
干他们嘛是这个，
Bill's father is 55.
比如呢阿爸呢， 타인 타브나
Bill's mother is 54.
비오나마는 타인 디라나
Bill's father is a teacher.
비오나빠는 로승거와
Bill's mother is a housewife.
비오나마는 쿠트날라카 버징가
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
뉴트르 지드르 크리아 하네일라 시다스칼디아
What is your name?
My name is Lu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunsan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
하네일라 스니사 부타크 인줄라 망와르는 수르그는 캐슬바
Today, let's begin with number 17.
뉴트르 부타크 즈 시츠쿠라 캐슬레야
Please look at your book and write in the missing words as I read them.
뻔미시틀라는 하네일라 리주르산테 피치크는 주르디
This is Nima's coat.
냐 니말는 딜나
It is a blue coat.
테이란 딜과
It is not a white coat.
테찬 딜그 피차
Nima is 17.
니마 하란 뚫로나
Nima is a student.
니마 슈상그 피차
Nima is not a teacher.
니마 로승그 피차
Nima is young.
니마 라랑나
He is not old.
간스툴르지과
Nima has no sisters.
니마드 아지슌드시과
Nima has 3 brothers.
니마드 아가지크지 구라이나
One brother is 19.
니가 아가지는 하라스나
He is a worker.
간와르징가
One brother is 16.
니가 아가지는 하란지로나
He is a student.
간슈상그와
One brother is a barber.
니가 아가지는 라바마 치라징가
He is 21.
간 호레니가와
Nima's brothers are tall.
니마나 아가지는 뚜루아
Nima's brothers are not short.
你妈呢阿个地和你呢背呢没拉瓜。
Please look at number 18.
都还那啦，自18年呢日间的。
Stanba is 42.
18进国了。
He has 2 daughters and 3 sons.
干的训克些活儿当然可以呢。
One daughter is a farmer.
你个训呢拉海清个哇，
One daughter is a student.
你个训呢修三个哇，
Stanba's sons are farmers.
18呢可个呢拉海去哇，
Please look at 19.
都还那啦，自19年呢日间的。
This hat is black.
那么拉还是哇，
It is not green.
天的红瓜，
It is a black hat.
天还是蛮干个。
20.
自 A 是。
How are you today?
今年多阿玛金个，
I'm very well, thank you.
不活得谁呢？还那个哇，
How are you?
去谁呢啥？
I'm very well, thank you.
不活得谁呢？去么还那个哇？
Goodbye.
谁打死个呀？
Goodbye.
谁打死个呀？